Hello there, I'm Junaid and welcome back again to Xfinity. Today I will show you how to put ads on your YouTube videos after YouTube channel monetization to maximize your revenue. You need to watch this video till the end so that you can understand properly on how to place multiple ads in YouTube videos like pre-roll, mid-roll and post-roll in order to maximize the YouTube earnings or revenue. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into it. Alright fellas, in this video I will share how we can place the multiple ads on our YouTube videos after monetization. We will also learn how we can place the starting ads, ending ads, b-roll ads, mid ads, and all the information resides in this video. So you need to make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notification at its first. So let us dive straight into the YouTube studio, and let me show you how we can put multiple ads on our videos which are greater than 8 minutes, and if your video is less than 8 minutes you cannot place multiple ads on your YouTube video. So it is important you make the videos more than 8 minutes, and then you can place the all type of ads in your video. So let us dive straight into the browser, and let me show you how we can place ads in our YouTube videos. Alright fellas, so we are right inside the YouTube studio, and here you need to go to content in which your videos resides. After you are in the contents, you will see all the list of the videos that you have uploaded. A tip here: if your channel is not monetized, I will provide you 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers only in 10 days. You can contact me on Instagram to achieve this package. Alright, I will guide you step by step how to complete this and what we need to get started. And next, in order to monetize your channel, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch time hours to earn money from YouTube. But once you have successfully monetized your channel, then you can enable ads to earn money from this. Alright, so I have suggested videos. Number one is what to do before applying the YouTube monetization so that your channel do not get rejected. You are approved only within 1 day. What you need to know about before applying for YouTube monetization. Alright, you need to watch this video first, and then I have made a video on how to apply for monetization and sign up for AdSense properly so that you do not make any mistake while applying for YouTube monetization. The third video is how to enable ads after YouTube monetization. Alright, so in these three videos I have guided on how to enable ads on YouTube videos after monetization. In these videos I have guided you step by step what to do before applying for YouTube monetization, how to properly apply for YouTube monetization and sign up for AdSense, and how to enable ads on your YouTube videos after monetization. And now in this video we will see how we can place the multiple ads in our YouTube videos. Alright, so let us continue. So once you are right inside the contents, you need to select your specific video. So this is the video that I am going to place ads on, and once you have selected your desired video, you need to click on this monetization icon, dollar icon. Once you click on this, you will see a monetization page, and here you need to make sure it is turned on and all the ads are selected. Alright, and once you have selected all these ads, you need to click on manage mid-rolls. And once you click on it, you will see ad breaks option and a pop-up, and here we can place ads by two ways. The number one is by YouTube AI machine learning algorithm. The AI of YouTube algorithm will automatically detect the specified positions and will place ads in desired location where it thinks it is suitable for the audience and for maximizing the revenue. The second thing is placing the ads manually. Alright, to place the ads manually, let me remove all these existing ads first. And now uh, you can simply navigate to a specified position where you want to place your ads, and once that position is specified, for example 1:33, this is the duration. Simply go to this duration by moving the pointer and click on ad break, and here you have a ad break pointer, and you can place multiple ads on your own, which you think is best for maximizing the revenue. As you can see, you can place unlimited amount of ads in your videos if your video is more than 8 minutes, and if your video is not more than 8 minutes, you will not see this option, managed mid-roll ads. Let me show you shortly. So this is the way on how you can place the multiple ads on your YouTube videos after monetization, and it will help you maximizing the revenue. And one thing to note, that you do not need to place the ad in the beginning and in the end, because as you can see, before video and after video is already selected and disabled. It means that it will automatically be enabled when your video is uploaded on YouTube. All right, that's it. And if you let me show you if your video is less than 8 minutes. Here is the video that the duration of this video is 2:17. It means the duration is 2 minutes and 17 seconds. And here you can see the monetization is on and all the ads types are enabled. And one thing you can notice here is only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during video, and all these options are disabled. Not all, but only during the video. Mid-roll ads option is disabled. Before video will be enabled for every video, and after video will be also enabled for every video. The only thing that matter is the duration. If your duration is more than 8 minutes, you can have multiple ads as I showed you previously, and if your video is less than 8 minutes, you will have only the ads in the starting and in the end. So I hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any suggestion for further videos, you can comment down below. And if you want perfect monetization package in cheap price, you can contact me on the Instagram. I will try my best to respond you as soon as possible, and make sure to follow me first, then you can send me a message and I will try my best to respond. And in my next video I will show you how to enable ads while uploading a video. All right, so these things are very important that needs to be discussed so that you do not make any mistake. And I have highlighted 3 videos that you need to do before applying for monetization, so that you do not get rejection and enable ads immediately. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Take care.